It's been very inspiring today to have a look at the material library, but also at other material designers, and start exchanging our experiences and exchanging our knowledge, because there's so much you can do with material, and the range of possibilities is enormous, and I think it's really interesting to see what other people are doing and also how they are doing it, what steps they are taking, and then getting a little bit hands-on with the materials here in the material library. It really makes me feel like I want to start making stuff right away.
Projekt Material Dialog konfrontuje 3 české designéry s 3 holandskými designéry. Oni se snaží ve svých projektech najít nové materiály, které by byly ekologičtější, anebo by přinesly řešení, které by pomohlo například zlikvidovat odpady. Je to projekt, který je vlastně začátkem mnohem větší spolupráce mezi matériO a Het Nieuwe Instituut, protože my bychom chtěli transferovat know-how pro New Materials Award a chtěli bychom najít partnery a sponzory pro to, aby jsme mohli vlastně jednou za 2 roky se zamyslet nad tím, jaký tady vznikají nový materiály a hodnotit to a mít vítěze a vlastně motivovat mladí designéry, tvůrce, aby se zaobírali problematikou materiálu.
My role is, I think, well, very much together with Lucy Havlova from Happy Materials, to be a connector. So we see some kind of, developments in design, and she sees it in the materials, and we decided to be the connectors across Europe and to build a network around design, material innovation and sustainability. And we will work on knowledge exchange between different institutes, such as universities, musea, fairs like this, to show what we're actually doing, and also have designers exchanges between the countries.
Jde o 2 betonové panely, které jsou vytvořeny z rychle tvrdnoucího betonu. Jde o to, že jsem zalejval textilní vlákna, po kterých jsou tady ještě vlastně stopy. Tady třeba po lněným vláknu, tady třeba po bavlněným vláknu, které jsou takový jako více prostorový. A posléze vlastně jsem to vlákno nechával vyhořet a implementoval jsem mechy nebo jiné vlastně náletové traviny, rostliny.
Graduated and I wanted to continue with this salt and sort of further develop it, because it does need a bit more research. So, I started developing I didn't have enough money to make buildings, and I had bricks, so I was looking for something between a brick and a building, so I started making furniture. So right now I have a team with some students who do research on it, so really chemical engineering, civil engineering, product design students. They all test different things. And we have a collaboration with a few companies, with a construction company, with an engineering company, with really a business development company. And we're sort of looking at ways, how can we build really structures with it.
Frusak je vlastně alternativou k jednorázovým plastovým sáčkům, který používáme denně k nákupu ovoce a zeleniny, a který je unikátní v tom, že je za prvý znovu použitelný a za druhý tak tkanina, ze který se vyrábí, je kompostovatelná. Jsme designérky, takže co se týče toho designu vlastně samotného, toho, jak ten pytlík je ušitý, jsme poměrně jakoby jistý tou textilí, protože tam víme, že jsme ji vyvíjeli ve spolupráci opravdu s profesionálama, kteří v tom odvětví pracují dlouhou dobu. Co se týče toho designu samotného, tam je určitě co zlepšovat a ten produkt se bude určitě dál vyvíjet.
I think we're all like super curious and like really all finding ways of doing things different and like experimenting and exploring like lots like in our own handwriting, our own way of doing things, but like think curiosity is like the main drive for all of us. So like for example technologies or engineers, they really think about efficiencies and like how to make things better, but they don't really think about how to implement it into daily life and like how do you want to live with that. And I think that's where a designer comes in to like really combine that knowledge, understand how it's been made, but also how we want to live with that.
as we've seen today, there's some designers, there's some doctors. Last time I was here, there were also some philosophers, which I think it's the future of not just architecture, it's the future of design, and it's the future of now how we design our disciplines and our education. And I think matériO does that, whether it's a material library or a people's library of how to bring innovation together.
Tady jsou vlastně folie ze sušených dýní, který jsem využila prosvícením, aby vynikla jejich struktura, nebo jsem je navrstvila a vytvořila zkrátka takový materiál, který je podobný překližce.
For matériO Paris, and I'm very excited and happy to see what's going on there. It's very interesting to see this interest in materials. For me, among the projects that we can see today, I especially like the one that deals with the salts, because I think it's kind of a very it covers a lot of questions, from using waste to the fact that these wastes are there because of climate change.
I hope people who visit Design Block and that see my projects will see how like this old traditional material and new technology are coming together and how they can influence each other. And in my project, new material is literally reinforcing another material, but I think both of them conceptually also reinforce each other. And I think as a designer, I have a big responsibility for the products that I bring into the world, and they should be as sustainable as possible. So if I can combine two materials so that we have something that can stay in this cycle of materials and that can be used over and over and over again, that's the only choice I have.
All thanks to